Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to my channel Heritage Traveler. So friends, this is my first vlog in my life and I hope you will support me here in this beautiful platform. First of all, I'll introduce myself. My name is Sunny Utoli, born and brought up in Kerala. Currently, I am residing in Doha, Qatar. In this channel, I'll showcase my passion for travel, adventure, trekking and hiking, especially my travel experience and the World Heritage Sites around the globe. Today, 4th November 2022. There is something very special in this country on this November and December. Yes, the much awaited global event, the first time in GCC and the Arab world, FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022. Stay tuned for my FIFA World Cup Qatar series. So guys, this is all about my first vlog today. Thanks for watching and please support my YouTube channel. As I mentioned earlier, this is my first vlog in my life, so please subscribe my channel, click the notification bell to get updated with my content. If you really like my channel and my contents, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to put your comments below. I'll see you on my next video. Till then, this is Sunny Utoli signing off from Heritage Traveler. Bye bye.